Hernandez, and I'm a licensed massage therapist and certified personal trainer. I brought you today this video for you so I can explain to you how to properly do a push-up and the benefits that it comes with a push-up. That I know for so many people, especially for women, it is just so hard if you have never done the push-up situation, exercise. So to begin with, let me explain to you a little bit the benefits of a push-up, right? You're not doing push-ups because you have to do them. And in my exercises, I will be adding arm workout, and push-ups are really, really important. So for the chest, right here in this area, the arm, top of the arm, the back of the arm, the bicep, and these muscles right here, the lower back, upper back, if you can engage with time as you get stronger and you do them in a more beneficial way, you know. So you can also engage some muscles right here with a simple push-up. It's not simple, but once I said it one more time, they're just so important. So they really strengthen all of those muscles that I mentioned, all this area, right? And they can also help you with posture. Like when you work at a desk or driving, we tend to lean forward. With push-ups, that will be corrected naturally without surgery. And you will have a great range of motion in the arms, flexibility, and definitely you get stronger. So to keep your upper body straight up, that muscle right here, and me being a massage therapist, I leaned forward so much for almost 9 years, and I was so hunched forward. Now from doing the push-ups, I can really feel myself straighten up. So to do a push-up, I'm going to show you the beginner way and the advanced way, okay? So you're going to choose the best way that works for you. So we're doing about 3 different ways to do it. So all you need is this pad or like a yoga mat, an exercise mat folded for the knees, okay? And then I have this step right here, which is another way that my mentor told me to teach to my clients, but it's not really, I didn't really like it so much, but I mean, he's so good and he's my teacher, so I better listen. So you're gonna have to, let's do the beginner side, beginner way first. So go ahead and step, just put your knees on top of the thing, the pad, and here's the proper way. So you have to come down. It's like if you were gonna lay on the floor, okay? To do the beginner's way on your knees. So make sure that your wrist, your elbow, your shoulder, they should be aligned. And your head shouldn't be sinking into the floor like this when you go down. So I have a long body and so many exercises are really hard for me to do. Okay, so let's go down. And there are different variations of push-ups. Like you can keep your elbow to the side, then you can do a diamond push-up like this, or you can do wide push-ups. But let's show you the ones where your arms are closer to the side of the body. So straight arms, lower your knees, and come down. I'm going to go slow, right? Stop, and press. One more time, and press. So the only way that you can build the strength to push your upper body back is from doing the push-ups. So definitely on the feet is more advanced, and you want to have a line pretty much with your body, and you will, if you're doing a circuit training exercise and we have 10 push-ups, go ahead and try one. Well, here comes a try. Do one on your feet and come down and up. And then come back to your knees. And then come back to your knees. So with this stand, it's pretty much the same thing, right? On your knees. But you want to try it. Why? Because you can find it easier for you with a piece of furniture and stand than being on your hands as a beginner. But I really want you to do them on your hands. So you can also try to hold the plank, hold it for a little bit, then go down. Push yourself back and go down. All right? I hope that helps. And push-ups are amazing. You really want to do them. And you do not get stronger overnight. You have to put on the work. And sorry that I made this video so long. I hope it really helps somebody. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be coming up with exercise videos and you don't want to miss it out. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.